Children, in the last class we learnt before the match lesson half. Is it? Yes, this lesson I told you already, written by R.K. Narayan and this lesson taken from the novel Swami and Friends written by R.K. Narayan, Rashipura Krishnaswamy Iyer Narayan. Okay, I told about him that he got Filmfare Award, Padma Vibhushan, Padma Bhushan awards for his writing work. And I also said you children that Malgudi Days become one of the most popular TV series that directed by Karnataka actor Shankar Nag, and so many Kannada actors also worked in that TV series. Okay. In this lesson, Rajam was so much excited about the cricket match. I said you, cricket is the match between two teams of 11 players in each team. So Rajam was also so much excited about his cricket match with YMU, means Young Men's Union. He wants to win against Young Man Union team, Rajam. And he was so much confident about Mani. One player was there, Mani. He was the best batsman. He was ready to face any type of ball. That opponents may ball any type, but he was ready to face. But what happened here? He was worried about Swaminathan. He was calling as Tate. He was, with love, he was calling as Tate, because the Tate, Maurice Tate, was an English bowler. It is the nickname of Swaminathan. Maurice Tate was English fast bowler. In that era, Maurice Tate was the great fast bowler, and that name given to Swaminathan. Swaminathan gave that as a nickname, because that Swaminathan was not coming for evening practices. So Rajam, he requested Swaminathan that you please daily you practice at least 1 hour. That Swaminathan was also ready to practice. But what happened, children? That daily evening they have to go ground for scout work, drill practice. So he didn't get any time for practice only. He was most fast bowler, that Swaminathan. And Rajam said that you should not make opponent batsmen to stay in the field more than 5 minutes. He was telling you should practice in that manner that opponent batsmen should not stand on the crease more than 5 minutes. Okay, so he requested him at least to practice 1 hour. But it was not possible. He told that to go and tell to your headmaster. But he was started to cry only because he was so much scared about his headmaster, and he was not ready to talk to his headmaster only. And what happened that evening? He went, after 1 week, he went to the ground for drill practice. That he was as usual on his costume, that coat and cap. That all children, that there was a rule that they should wear in the ground, they should wear t-shirt and dhoti, that should be in tuck manner. But what happened here? Swaminathan again he went by wearing the coat and cap. PT master became very angry. He was telling that you won't change. How many times he said to Swaminathan to change the dress, but he won't change his dress. He came coat and cap, in that manner only he came to ground. But when P master became angry and muttered that you won't change, and he passed away, that from that line, from Swaminathan to next child, he went. That time what he said Swaminathan, no sir, I am not feeling well, I won't do drill. said loudly. If I did drill, I will die. This time he gave one big statement to P. Sir. That PT master became very angry and said, what happened to you last night? He asked in angry mood only. He asked to Swaminathan. Today we learn what happened in the next paragraphs. The drill master had come to the last boy and as Swaminathan was dogging him, he turned round on Swaminathan with fears of, what is the matter with you? He said that I am not well, I won't do drill. And P. Sir again came back and asked to him, Swaminathan, that what happened to you? Why are you behaving in this manner? The drill master asked Swaminathan in angry oath that what happened to you last night? Then Swaminathan said, Sir, the whole of last night was delirious. The drill master was stunned by this piece of news. You were delirious? Delirious means excited, a type of excitement that delirious means a type of excitement that if anyone got severe fever or severe sufferings, they are talking, but we won't understand what they are talking in that manner. We can't understand the words. That's calling as delirious. Swaminathan said, last night I got delirious. Peter became stunned by this piece of news. You were delirious? Stunned means shocked. Peter was totally shocked by the words of Swaminathan. You were delirious? He was said loudly. He was shocked by that piece of news. He was shocked. Peter was shocked by the words of Swaminathan and he asked in return to Swaminathan that you were delirious in a stunned or shocked manner. I didn't sleep a wink last night. I was delirious. Our doctor said so. He has asked me not to attend drill for a week to come. See, Swaminathan said that last night I got delirious. I was delirious and I won't sleep whole night. I won't sleep. I was delirious and doctor also advised me not to go for drill 1 week. He said that he is not ready to do drill. He said directly to Peter that I am not ready to do drill because my health is not in a good condition. And doctor also said take rest. Don't do drill 1 week. For 1 week he said. Swaminathan said to Peter, I don't believe a word. Get out. Peter became very much angry with the words of Swaminathan. He said, I won't believe you. Because he was telling again and again such a type of news to Peter, no? So he won't believe his words. He said, I won't believe your words and get out from here. He said directly to Swaminathan. But Swaminathan became very happy. When sir said him to go out of the ground, he became very happy because he wants to do practice at least 7 days for the cricket match. He wants to do practice with his teammates for a cricket match. That only 7 days remained for a cricket match. They have to win from the opponent young men's club. They have to they have to win and they have to won the trophy also. So he became very happy with the words of P. Sir. Everybody at the field was happy to see him so early. Rajam jumped with joy. See here, Rajam was the captain of that team. He became very happy by seeing Swaminathan for practice. He requested him, at least 1 hour you do the practice. Okay, Swaminathan also agreed, but what happened? He was not ready to appeal, go to headmaster and take the permission. So what happened here now? The drill sir, PT sir only made him out of the ground. He became very happy and he wants to practice bowling. And Rajam and other teammates also very happy by seeing Swaminathan. The next morning he formed a plan be free all the evenings of the week. It was 7:30 in the morning and he had to still 2.5 hours before him for the school. What happened? Next day he came early. He came early from the home to school. 2.5 hours early only he went from the house to school. On the way, what happened? See children here. Swaminathan quietly slipped out of the house. What he did, he didn't said to anyone in the house. He nicely went out of the house. 2.5 hours early only he came to school without telling anyone, without informing in the home. He came out of the home. He stood before a shop in front of which hung the board Dr. T. Kesavan, LM and S. Sri Krishna Dispensary. See, LM and S. See here, he stood in front of a doctor's shop. LM and S means, see here children, what happened here? He went early in the morning and he stood in front of a shop. Licentiate in medicine and surgery. LM and S means licentiate in medicine surgery. The doctor learned that one. He was fit to give treatment to patients. That doctor name was T. Kesavan. T. Kesavan was the doctor name. And that Swaminathan stood in front of that shop and he went inside also. Swaminathan found that the doctor was alone and free and entered the shop early morning. Early morning doctor didn't have any patients. So what he did, when he was going on the way, he saw doctor's shop. That T. Kesavan doctor was there and there was a shop, doctor's shop. He stood there and he thought a while and he thought that now morning, early morning, he may be free, doctor may be free. He thought and he entered the shop, hospital. Hello, Swaminathan, what is the matter? Doctor was well known that Swaminathan. Maybe he may be regular patient for him or whatever it may be, neighbor or whatever it may be. Doctor know very well Swaminathan. When he entered the shop, doctor asked him, hello Swaminathan, what's the matter? Why you came early morning only to my shop? He asked in this manner to Swaminathan. Doctor, I have got to have doctor certificate immediately, he said. He said to doctor, I want a doctor certificate immediately. Immediately means urgently. Because he want doctor certificate. Because yesterday evening he said to P sir that he is not well. So he want doctor certificate to prove that actually he is not feeling well. He wants to prove that certificate. And he wants to get relief from that drill and he wants to practice cricket bowling practice he wants to do. So he went doctor and he asked him that give immediately a doctor certificate that he is ill. What is the matter with you? I will tell you the truth. Doctor, I have to play a match next week against the Young Men's Union and I must have some practice. And yet, every evening there is drill class, scouting, some dirty period or other. See, Swaminathan, he said actual problem that he wants to practice cricket. But what happened? Every evening they have drilling, drilling and some other periods they have in the evening. Extra periods are going in the evening time. But Swaminathan is not ready to attend that classes. So he wants a certificate that he is not feeling well from a doctor. If you could give me a certificate asking them to let me off at 4:30, it would help the MCC to win the match. See here, children, he told truth only. He said to doctor that he wants to practice cricket daily evening and he wants to win against Young Men's Union and his cricket team name was MCC. What it means MCC? and they wants to win with whom? Young Men's Union. YMU. Against YMU. Young Men's Union. Okay? That Swaminathan was playing. That his team was Malgudi Cricket Club and he wants to win against YMU. Young Men's Union. So he said the truth to doctor that actually I wants to practice bowling, but every evening there may be drill or scout or some other periods. I have no interest to attend that classes. So please give me certificate that they should leave me home by 4:30. 4:30 p.m. they have to leave me. Then I can able to practice bowling practice. He said. Well, I could do it, but is there anything wrong with you? Swaminathan took half a second to find an answer. Certainly, I am beginning to feel of late that I have delirium. He said directly to doctor that why any problem is there? If you have any problems, I will give certificate. Doctor said to Swaminathan. He said that yes, I feel delirium. I have some problem. At night time, I am not able to talk properly and I feel weakness. I have some problems, so you give me certificate, that one only. He said, Swaminathan said to doctor. Why? Did you see delirium? What exactly do you mean by delirium? He don't know the meaning of delirium, but he was using again and again that word, Swaminathan. He is using that word, but he don't know what is that disease only. So doctor only shocked by this word. You don't know the meaning of the word. Then how you are going to use that word? He shocked. Doctor shocked by the word of Swaminathan. I can't say exactly, but isn't it some kind of stomach ache? He changed his word. I don't know. I am actually patient of delirium or I don't know. But at evening time or night time, I am going to get stomach pain. He changed the disease name. The doctor laughed till a great fit of coughing threatened to choke him. Doctor laughed so much loudly that coughing came. He was unable to take breath properly. So much loudly, doctor laughed on Swaminathan. After that, he looked Swaminathan under the eye, examined his tongue, tapped his chest and declared him to be in the pink of health and told him he would do well to stick to his drill if he wanted to get rid of delirium. He said he checked everything. You know, when we are going to doctor shop, he will check our eyes, tongue. From that only they will identify what disease we have. So he also did the same. Dr. Keshavan also did the same to Swaminathan. He checked Swaminathan eyes, tongue, chest, everything he checked and said, you have no problem, you are so healthy. Swaminathan again explained to him how important it was for him to have his evening free. But doctor said it is all very well, but I should be prosecuted if I gave you any such certificates. So doctor said you are so healthy, no need of any certificate, you are good in your health condition is also good. Then Swaminathan said, see sir, I want every evening free time to practice cricket. This is very important for me and my teammates. So please give me certificate. The doctor said, no, I can't give false certificates because I may be punished. If I give wrong or false certificate to you, I will be punished. And if it came out that I gave wrong certificate and I will be punished from others. So I won't give any wrong certificate or false certificates to you. You are so healthy. Who is going to find it out, doctor? Do you want our MCC to lose the match? He asked. No one will know. You only know that I am fit. Okay, you give me one certificate, I am unfit. No one will understand that whether I am fit or unfit. And I want to win MCC team this year, we should win. So, you don't want to win our match? He asked he to doctor only and he forced him to give the certificate that he was not well. I wish you all success, don't worry. I can't give you a certificate, but I shall talk to your headmaster about you and request him to let you off after 4:30. So doctor said that, okay, I I know very well what you want. You want to win your cricket trophy. So I will help you. But I won't give you false certificate. But I will help you in another way, that I will talk to your headmaster directly. Because he is not ready to talk to his headmaster. He was so much caring. But doctor said, I will help you in one way, that I will talk to your headmaster and I will take permission that they should leave you after 4:30. They should leave you to practice cricket bowling. Okay, that time doctor gave him suggestion and he wants to help Swaminathan for his cricket practice. That will do. You are very kind to me, doctor. He said. He became very happy because he wants to submit false certificate to school that he is not well. He is unfit to do drill. But what happened here? Doctor said, you are fit, you are healthy. I won't give any false certificate because I will get punishment for that. Okay. So what he did? He said to Swaminathan that I will help you in another way. That is, I will talk to your headmaster and I will take permission from him and you may practice and you may win the trophy. This type, see children here, Swaminathan want a false certificate because of cricket practice. But doctor helped in another way and he said, you are so kind, you are so helpful to doctor, and he went off. See children, in this story, you learnt about how much he was eager to win the cricket. See children, here before the match in this lesson you learnt about Swaminathan, a fast bowler. He wants to practice and daily evening, but there was drill and some other classes, scout and other classes are there. So he won't get permission from headmaster and he is not ready to talk to headmaster directly also. So what he did, he met a doctor, but the doctor was not ready to give him a certificate, false certificate that he was unfit, he was unhealthy. But he said, you are healthy, but I will take a permission from your headmaster and I will make you to play in the MCC Malgudi Cricket Club. Okay children, I hope all of you understood this lesson and you learn glossary and lesson again and again, and I will send in the next class, I will send you notes of this lesson. Thank you.